Hello world, I hope you're all doing good. My name is Orko Gupta and I'm the founder and chief executive coach for the e-learning platform called YCAG, in short YCAG. And you're watching a series, YCAGadvises, where we share a number of tips, tools, do's and don'ts on a wide variety of topics, including business situation, business communication, presentation techniques, leadership skills and styles, and many more. So today's topic is, what are the pillars of a good communication framework? Now, when I say communication framework, it applies to writing an email or a report, preparing a presentation or a speech, having a good conversation or negotiation. So this is what YCAGadvises presents you with. It's a tool called 4W model. Now, before going further with this 4W tool, let's first understand what is a tool. A tool is basically a framework that helps you to think in an organized and structured way in order to solve a problem or perform a task better. Now, remember that a tool is just a framework only. It cannot solve a problem all by itself. It becomes meaningful only when you know how to use it properly by leveraging all its features. So, if you want to know more about this particular tool, the 4W model, learn how to use it properly through a number of case studies, assignments, and get access to many such tools, learn how to use them, please register for the e-learning course named Business Communication. So please reach out to me for the registration purpose. Send me an email, give me a call, text me, and all the contact details are shared in the contact section. All right, so let's get back with the tool. So this 4W tool tells that in order to prepare for a good communication, you need to ask 4 questions comprising of the 4 W's. The whom, the why, what, and when. Whom stands for whom you're making, your audience. Why stands for why are you making, the purpose. What stands for what are you making, your story. And when stands for when are you conveying, the timing. So let's try to see what each of these individual W's aim to achieve. So start with the whom. For whom are you making? It helps to set the tone matching with your audience. Now, for example, if you're sending a mail to your CXO or to your customer or to your vendor or to your partner or to an external party or to your colleagues, in all the cases your tone changes. The choice of words, your level of information sharing, everything changes, right? So that's why it's important. So next, why are you making? It helps to set the content matching with your purpose. Like, for example, are you sending it for an escalation, or are you sending it for a problem resolution? Are you proposing something, or are you just generally updating somebody? So depending on the purpose, your entire level of information and the structure changes, right? So next, what are you making? So this tells about the storytelling ability, that is the logical flow of the subsequent events. So the flow is solid and the story becomes much more bold. And then moving on to the last one, when are you making? It sets the appropriate timing for making the maximum impact. Now, I can tell you that often we try to ignore this particular aspect, but believe me, it's very, very important. I can tell you from my experience, having a career in investment banking for more than a decade, I can surely tell you that there are certain timings which are best to avoid if you're trying to get attention to something that you're trying to raise. For example, month ends or quarter ends or year ends, or if you're having a busy day with a lot of trades happening, or if there is a bad day with tons of issues. Now, in these situations, your mail might get lost. So pay attention to the timing. For example, if you know that a person whom you're trying to send something to get his or her attention, and if he or she is away on vacation, is it the right time to send? Probably not. So this is all about the 4W tool: the whom, why, what, and when. So this is from today's session. Stay tuned to hear more from us, and you know that what would you need to do in order to stay tuned? You need to subscribe to our YouTube channel called Your Coach AG. All right, so that's it from today's session. Let me sign off by saying keep learning, and may the force of learning be with you.